Hello everyone, glad to have you here. In this video, we'll walk you through how to enable dark mode in the Firefox browser app on your mobile device. If you prefer browsing with less eye strain, this simple change can make a big difference. Let's get started and make things easier for you. First, open the Firefox browser app on your mobile device. Next, tap the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Customize. Now, under the Themes section, choose Dark. Once selected, the dark mode will be applied automatically. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Firefox Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.